Hello, welcome to Maximity's Next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya, and you ever wondered how Excel does date stuff? In today's video, we're going to be looking in the number section of the home ribbon, where you'll find the number format drop-down. In an empty, non-formatted cell, the formatting is set to general. I'm now going to insert today's date by pressing Ctrl and the semicolon, and when we go back into the cell, you'll see that Excel has automatically changed the formatting to date. Make sure to use slashes when you're typing the date out. If you use hyphens, Excel will automatically change them into slashes. If you write a date out with full stops, Excel will not automatically recognise that this is a date, and you'll see the formatting is still set to general. So what does the date look like without the formatting? I'm going to select the date cell, and in the number format drop-down, I'm going to select general. And we can see that the serial number behind the 9th of June 2022 is 44,721. As far as Excel is concerned, the world began on the 1st of January 1900. 44,721 is how many days have passed since the 1st of January 1900. If I type the number 1 and change it to a short date in the number formatting drop-down, it's changed to the 1st of January 1900. In my spreadsheet, I've typed today's date, which is the 9th of the 6th, 22, and below it is the serial number, 44,721. I'm going to write a formula that will give me the date in 7 days' time. So I'll type equals, and then click on the cell with the date in, and type +7. I'll press enter and copy the formula down, and now we can see that to work out this calculation, Excel took the date, converted it into a serial number, added 7, and then changed it back into a date. So now, if you'd like to make a quick calendar with all the Mondays listed, find the date for next Monday. In the cell below, type equals, click on the cell with the date, type +7, and then after you've pressed enter, you can copy that formula down as far as you want.